Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Python dependencies with pip-tools, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your Python dependencies with pip-tools, ensure you have pip-tools installed. Open your terminal or command prompt. You can install pip-tools by running the command pip install pip-tools. Once installed, navigate to your project directory using the command cd path/to/your/project. Next, confirm you have a requirements.in file in your project directory. This file should list all the top-level dependencies your project requires. Now, to generate a requirements.txt file that includes all dependencies, run the command pip-compile requirements.in. pip-tools will analyze your requirements.in file and resolve dependencies automatically. After compiling, a requirements.txt file will be created in the same directory. To update your dependencies, simply modify the version numbers in your requirements.in file. Then, rerun the command pip-compile requirements.in. This will regenerate your requirements.txt file with the updated dependencies. Next, it's time to install the updated packages. You can do this by running the command pip install our requirements.txt. Pip will then install the latest version specified in your updated requirements.txt file. If you need to check for outdated packages, you can run pip compile upgrade. This command will show you which packages have newer versions available. For a more in-depth check, you can use the command pip list outdated. This will provide you with a list of all outdated packages in your environment. This ensures compatibility and that everything functions as expected. You've now successfully updated your Python dependencies using pip-tools. This process helps maintain your project's packages efficiently and keeps them up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.